Maintaining a long-running spreadsheet of data can be challenging, especially when it comes to checking for duplicate entries. Fortunately enough, Excel has the tools you need to quickly find, check, and delete any duplicates. Here's how to get to it. To start, fire up Microsoft Excel, load in the document in question, and check for duplicates. Select the entire table, then click on Conditional Formatting under the Home tab. Mouse over Highlight Cell Rules, then select Duplicate Values. Excel will then highlight any duplicate values within the dataset. You can configure how this looks on the window that pops up, or keep the default color by clicking OK. Once you've checked over the indicated duplicate values to make sure they're not needed, you can have Excel delete them all at once. Select the entire table again, then click on the Data tab near the top of the window. Select Remove Duplicates, and a window will pop up for you to configure. Deselect all the columns listed under Columns to Analyze, then select which columns you want the program to scan for repeats in. Uncheck the box next to My Data Has Headers. If you don't have any, click OK. Excel will then keep the first encountered entries and delete subsequent repeat entries. A notification will pop up informing you how many duplicates were deleted and how many unique entries remain. If you found this guide useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Microsoft Excel and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.